Maverick Machining. Perfection in every part. We are unique. As technology changes, we change with it. Quality is our first priority. We design and fabricate parts for high-technology industries, including oil and gas exploration and drilling, even aerospace. Our high-skilled team is dedicated to zero-defect production and on-time delivery. With the world's most advanced CNC technologies and electrical discharge machining, we can make anything from the world's most versatile metals, including Monel, Inconel, and stainless steel. From parts that fit in the palm of your hand to components so large you need a crane to lift them, we are literally cutting edge. When precision counts, count on us. Every part we produce is ISO certified. We understand time is money. That's why we have 2 locations, strategically located in Canada and Houston for fast worldwide delivery. Perfection in every part. That's Maverick Machining.